Hey Carlos, this is Mike Brady. So I wanted to shoot you this video to show you some of the things that will help you improve your website's rankings on Google and bring you more business. I'm at your website right now, and I've copied your URL into a third-party scanner that I use, RankDaddy. And what we're going to look at is your heading tags. Now that's what Google looks at to determine what your site is about and what to rank it for. The tags are made up of the title tag, metadata tag, and your H1 and H2 tags. Now your title tag is just right, as is your meta description. They both look really good. Unfortunately, this is the reason you are not on page 1 of the Google search in Bakersfield for tree services. You're missing your H1 and your H2 headers. Plus your images that you have on your website are missing attributes. So Google can't rank those. Let's see where your website is ranking on Google as of today. I use a third-party tracker for that as well. It's called SERPTrack.io. You can get a free 30-day subscription to it and find out where you're ranking every single day. As you can see, I use these keywords for your website to search for: Bakersfield Tree Service, Bakersfield Tree Removal, and Bakersfield Tree Trimming. Unfortunately, you are on page 3 and 4 of the Google search for that. Now, I don't know about you, but I usually go to the first page and I get, 3 or 4 of those, and I get bids from them. I can help you get to the first page. We can fix the problems with your heading tags. That's what we do. It's why I'm reaching out to you today, and we can get you more business. Carlos, if you can handle more business, please respond to this email. If you have any questions, you can give me a call at 559-691-0320. Thanks so much for your time. Take care.